Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin with a clean, undamaged metal tongue scraper. This prevents irritation and bacterial transfer. Rinse the scraper under warm water and inspect the edges. Smooth edges glide better. Once done, stand over the sink, open your mouth, and extend the tongue about 1/2 inch. This exposes the surface. Make sure to breathe through your nose while you prepare, because gag reflexes respond to throat breathing. Now you're ready to place the scraper behind the tongue's midpoint and start the first pass. You place the scraper at the middle of the tongue's rear, not right at the throat. This reduces gagging while still removing debris. Pull the tool forward in a single, steady motion. Use moderate pressure so you remove buildup without injuring the tissue. Once at the tip, lift and rinse the scraper, then repeat 3 to 5 times until you see less coating. Make sure to cover the sides a little as you go because bacteria gather there. If saliva pools, simply spit and continue. You finish by rinsing your mouth and the scraper thoroughly. A gentle brush over the tongue can remove any remaining film. Sanitize the metal tool after use. Run it through boiling water or place in the top rack of the dishwasher to keep it hygienic. Once done, store it dry. If you experience persistent gagging or pain, stop. Reduce how far back you place the scraper, breathe through your nose, and if the problem continues, consult your dentist to rule out sensitivity or infection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.